This is what my free supercharged wagon sounds like from the inside. And for less than 50 bucks, this is what it's going to sound like. After I supercharged the wagon, Spotto sent me a video of what I should do next to get some more internal supercharger whine. And I liked it because it was cheap and it looked sick. This mod is super simple, super easy, and is super cheap, so anyone can do it. We're gonna go down to Bunnings and we're gonna grab this list of parts that I'm gonna put on the screen right here. That should be all you need. Without wasting too much time, let's get straight into it. We have collected everything that we needed from Bunnings. We're gonna do a couple pulls on our way back to enjoy the quiet life while it lasts.
Yes.
Yeah, let's give us one right now, hold on.
Nice.
I mean, look, you can probably hear it really loudly outside, but you can't hear it inside, and that's my biggest problem. I wanna be able to feel, I wanna be able to hear it. Hopefully what we've just picked up will be able to help. We'll do a couple pulls and then we'll see you guys back at the workshop. So we have returned from our Bunnings trip and it did end up costing us less than $50. Here's what we bought. We bought some clear tubing. You'll see what that's for very soon. And we also bought a ball valve here for a hose fitting. Some of you guys may already know what we're planning on doing, but if you don't, you'll find out. I also went on a little side quest and I picked up a pod filter. Right now, the intake is just sitting there open. So Felix is over there with his turboed Lancer, mid-turbo build. It's gonna be so sick. Look at that. I have such bad luck when it comes to cars. I can't believe this runs so well as it does. Honestly, I'm just waiting for the day it just like breaks down and dies on me. But at the moment, it's doing pretty good, so I'm pretty happy. Okay, so the next step is we take off the hose clamps here for the intake, and we're gonna drill into, I wanna drill into the intake, probably around the back here, so you can't see it from the front. We're gonna run the hose, then we're gonna put the hose through that grommet, through the firewall, and then at the end, underneath the passenger seat, we're gonna put this ball valve there, so that way we can open and close it at will. While Felix is doing his turbo stuff, I'm just gonna take this off here. Now that we have the intake off, we'll have a look and we'll measure up where we wanna put the hole. Next step, we drill straight in. Now we have to make sure that we get all of the metal shards out. Don't want your intake to suck all of this shit up. Now it's time to clean up the edges, so that way it doesn't actually cut through the tube, and then we'll Sikaflex it together. So now that we have the Sikaflex on and the tube there, now we're just going to reattach it to the throttle body, cut how much tube that we need off, and then put it through the grommet.
Thank you, Felix.
Perfect. And we're just gonna shove it through thy firewall. There it is. See the hose here? We'll pull the whole thing through. That'll do? Perfect. All right, so this is what it looks like through here, nice and clear, and then just goes through that little grommet right there. Nah, actually, just leave the whole thing on. That way I can put it inside the glove compartment. There we go. Like I bought one, mate.
A few moments later.
All right, guys, first startup for the $50 mod to hear the supercharger whine in the cabin. Let's go. So this is valve closed. Okay, not too bad, not too bad. And now this is valve open. Let's see if you can hear it. We'll close the windows so that way we don't get the exhaust noise as well.
Is that closed?
That's open. That's so lame.
That's hilarious.
That's... We need a bigger hose.
Big hose.
I don't know, didn't you get more noise, bigger hose?
I don't fucking know.
I don't know how it works. Okay, so now we're gonna see what it sounds like while we're driving with a bit more load on it. Yeah, a bit more. This is so dumb. This is so dumb. But first, before we take it on a drive, we are going to install this pod filter because it's literally just sitting there all plain. We'll just give him one of these. Perfect. All right. Now for the pod filter. Okay, here we go. First test drive with the $50 mod to hear the supercharger. Let's go. Oh, okay.
Okay.
Let's go in a bit of, go second gear. Yeah.
That's good.
It's not too loud, but it's nice. Let's go third gear, let's see. That's so good.
Like you got a supercharger or something.
Oh, mate, I reckon. You know what?
Sick.
That's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. For like what, $40?
Yeah, $40.
We'll do a price breakdown. So the tube was $27, like $27.90, and then the ball valve was like how much?
12 bucks.
12 bucks.
Yeah.
So it's about $40 altogether. So if you have a supercharger, you can literally do this too.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's pretty cool.
It's pretty cool, man.
It's pretty cool, man. Listen to that can, man. Felix, put it right at the mic. I really want these guys to hear it.
Damn.
Now we're going a second. Here we go. Damn, that's so clean. It's a subtle mod, but what, 50
I like
bucks?
that. That's good.
For 50 bucks, it's pretty good.
Not bad.
That's pretty good.
That's pretty good.
That's pretty good. 50 bucks, I'm not gonna complain.
I just saved myself 150 bucks.
I just saved myself 150 bucks. That's basically the episode.
Yeah.
It's really small, easy. It took me like once we're all set up, like 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Yeah. It's pretty simple, pretty easy. If you guys enjoyed the episode, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure to follow Felix, his Turbo Lancer build. It's gonna be absolutely sick. Check out all our socials, will be linked down below. If you guys wanna follow for more VT content, there's a playlist already linked down below. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Peace out.
Bye.
Bye.